Eventually, a taste of winter weather is going to arrive. So if you're looking ahead and making sure the family has a warm meal, soup is always a time-tested favorite. But instead of the same old, how about putting a twist on it and making that soup with macaroni and cheese? Something Howard has perfected over the years in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
As the weather gets cooler and cooler, our cravings for comfort food seems to get bigger and bigger. Foods like soup and mac and cheese seem to be on everyone's must-have list. And if those sound good to you, but you can't decide which one to make, no problem, because we've taken the best of both and rolled them into a hearty one-pot dish that's to die for. We begin by bringing a pot of water to a boil. To that, we add a good amount of frozen mixed veggies and the macaroni from a package of boxed mac and cheese, along with a bit of salt and pepper. After it comes to a boil again, which takes about 5 minutes, we slowly add in some milk, the package of cheese sauce from the box, and a good amount of shredded cheddar cheese. Once it simmers for a bit and the pasta is tender, it's time to grab a ladle and dish it up. Whether you serve this in a crock or in a big bowl, I promise you'll hear all sorts of oohs and ahs with every spoonful. To get the recipe for our creamy, dreamy macaroni and cheese soup, all you have to do is check out our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a doubly comforting way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at koamnewsnow.com. Now here's a look at 4-state market prices.